Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. If we're looking across the market, you guys can see the continuation of that bloodbath has been occurring in the market, especially after we did break below that $22,000 support level. I was giving you guys a lot of warning signs that the weakness is showing. We are seeing the BTC price retest at $22,000 consistently, and the bears have won the fight, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin go below 22k mark. Hence we are seeing a massive bloodbath across the board, but we're not seeing a lot of altcoins down double digits compared to Bitcoin, because when usually Bitcoin drops, generally speaking, we do tend to see altcoins get hit even harder, but we're not seeing that happening right now. So we're going to discuss that also, and we're going to be looking at Vechain, what's happening with the price of Vechain, and now what are some price targets we should be looking at as we are going more further into the month of March. Looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.021 cents. It's down 5.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. We're seeing the market cap sitting at $1.5 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $72.7 million. Now comes the question, what are some next price targets we should be looking at? Where is the price currently sitting at, and should we be worried? But before we jump into the charts, as you guys all know, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So yesterday we did see, let's look at the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is literally on its way towards the downside. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys on a consistently basis? Why was I so, so serious about this $22,000 support line? Why was I always talking about this? Because this is a massive level of support, and once we broke below it, you guys can see we even went and had a little bit of support at the previous higher low, which was on February the 13th, and that never held, and we are back down to these levels. And now this is a very, very important. If this price does not hold, $18,000 to $19,000 Bitcoin is coming, and I still see that coming regardless if this holds or not. A lot of uncertainty right now in the entire market, and obviously yesterday the US announced that capital gains will be taxed double now, well, compared to what it was being done, which was, I believe, 20%, if I'm not wrong. And obviously they all have announced that over the next 12 months 2 million US residents are going to lose their job. Inflation is no joke, guys. That is affecting the traditional market, especially. I don't know why I can't talk this morning, so please bear with me on that. Anyhows, the overall global economy is not looking too well, but we started off this year for the crypto space on a massive positive note. And right now we are seeing, whales definitely take advantage of these economy news that are coming out. But obviously the long-term perspective, we're still, on our ways towards the upside. But right now we're seeing a shake off. And right now, if we're looking at the price of Vechain, you guys can see we were being supported by this range, and still are, as of recording this video, we are being supported by this 2.1 cents level. You guys can see how many different times we were supported around here, and if this does not hold, we are about to retest that 1.9 cents and possibly even see some new yearly lows. Obviously, we were getting really excited on this on our way towards the upside, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's luck or what, but whenever Vechain really does show its strength, something happens with the price of Bitcoin, and you can see this happen once again. But obviously this should not be discouraging. If patience is regardless needed. Not every altcoin is going to go 300, 400, 500% in a matter of a month and a half. It takes time, and patience is needed. Look at the previous cycle. It didn't happen in a single day. It took 2 years to really have Vechain pop out. And those are some factors a lot of us tend to forget. But I'm extremely bullish still on Vechain, and nothing changes for itself. I'm immune to these prices because I've been in the markets for so many years. it doesn't really affect me. This just gives me another opportunity. Right now, I wish I had more funds sitting in my bank account where I could be dollar cost averaging in some projects. The opportunities are endless. And right now, like I said, this is the current scenario looking for Vechain right now. We do need to see these support lines hold. And if it does not hold, we could be retesting the lows from last year. And if we go on the BTC dominance, we're seeing something very interesting play out. And this happens rarely. You can see this time around Bitcoin is falling, so is the BTC dominance index. And that's why we're not seeing altcoins get hit even harder. But usually what would happen with a move like this would be causing altcoins to go down 10% if Bitcoin were to drop about 4%. So that is one factor we do need to keep in mind right now. But obviously the uncertainty is absolutely insane right now. BTC is on its way towards the downside. This level is extremely important for it to hold. If it holds, great. But right now I am once again on the bearish end, and you guys know I always say that if we're below $22,000, I am bearish. So I will keep you guys updated as to what happens, but we have gone below $22,000 and things are looking bearish in the immediate short term. But like I said, if you believe in the price of Vechain, if you believe in the project itself, you believe that this is one of the top layer 1 blockchains, look at what it's doing, look at the partnerships it's making around the world, the real working product. Like companies are using the blockchain. It's not just that they have partnered with it, they are using it, and that goes to show where Vechain really is headed. But currently the price is in the bearish end, and obviously everything depends on Bitcoin. We could be looking pretty good in the short term. Things are looking insane, but Bitcoin can come in a snap of a finger and end the party. And this is why every single video of mine I say have an exit strategy. Lock in your profits. I cannot stress this enough, and if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know that as well. But obviously if you're in it for the long haul, you don't really care about the short-term gains here or there, then just dollar cost averaging in. The lower you get, the better. But I do think that the bright times are going to come this year as well. Remember, this so far this year has been on a bullish end only. We barely saw any sort of sell off, red days. It was green after green, and now we are seeing that. But again, global economy, massive bearish news coming out in terms of that is affecting the traditional markets as well. So obviously that is going to come and have some sort of effect on crypto, because whales run this game. So that's one factor we also need to keep in mind. But that is the current scenario that is looking for Vechain. If anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.